Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this session we are going to discuss about control statements in C language. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let us enter into the topic control statements in C language. What are control statements? The statements which are used to control the flow of execution of the statements, that is the order of execution of the statements. By default, the order is the physical order. That means first statement will be executed at first, second statement will be executed next, and then third statement will be executed, and so on. But if you want to skip some set of statements, or if you want to repeat set of statements again and again, you need to have special controlling statements. You call them as control statements in C language. The control statements in C language are conditional statements, looping statements, and jumping statements. Conditional statements, looping statements, and jumping statements. First, consider conditional statements. The conditional statements evaluates a specific condition and then performs the specified job. For example, if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else if statement. All these are various forms of if statement. Along with the if statement, one more conditional statement is there, that is called switch case. Switch case is also called as multi-way selection statement. Switch case is also known as multi-way selection statement. Next one, looping statements. Looping means executing a set of statements again and again until a given condition is satisfied. You call it as looping, repeatedly doing the same job again and again. You call it as loop. C language offers three looping statements: for statement, while statement, and do while statement. For more information on looping statements, I am providing the link in the description box. Next one is jumping statement. The word itself suggests you jump. It's like a frog jump. Moves from one location to another location. In between, it skips number of statements. You cannot say 2 statements or 5 statements. It skips number of statements. It jumps from one location to another location. You call it as a jumping statement. There are 3 jumping statements in C language: break, continue, and go to. Go to should be used along with the label. Break is also called as forward jump. Break is also called as forward jump. That means the control will be moved to the end of the block. Continue is known as backward jump. It is also known as backward jump. Sometimes it may be asking in the examination point of view, explain backward jump in C language. You write continue. Explain forward jump in the sense you write break. I am providing one more video for jumping statements. The link will be provided in the description box. That's all about controlling statements in C language. Basically, there are 3 controlling statements: conditional statements, looping statements, and jumping statements. By default, the control is in the sequential order. Sequential order in the sense, for example, input statements, all output statements, all input output statements, and computational statements, whatever the calculations you are performing, all those things comes under sequential. That's all about looping statements, conditional statements, and conditional statements. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my video and share it to your friends. Thank you.